knocking at my door.
After the Yolanda tragedy, gladly naman, people responded.
Sound of silence, I can't take anymore.
So everybody pitched in ideas kung paano makatulong in one way or the other base sa makakayanan ng mga tao. Inumpisa ni Tony to get sponsors. So yun yung nakolekta natin sa office. It was double by SMS Global.
Oh, how I miss such a beautiful sound.
Bakit Giwan? Kasi Giwan is the farthest town in Samar. The first town to be directly hit by the typhoon.
Don't make it to the shore without your love.
Also the trampolines para sa kanilang temporary shelter. School supplies for the children of Barangay Suro. Sa mga employees, lalong-lalo na sa mga very generous, maski yung mga nagbalot, maski yung mga nag-package nito, at lalong-lalo na sa desisyon ni Asa na dublehin yung amount. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagtulong, inyong dedications na magbigay yung zeal nila na mag-contribute.
This is what it feels like.